Yeah, buddy, we back again. Blessed again. Welcome back to Top K, Testimony of Pastor King. Testimony of Pastor King. So we got our package in. Brothers took out in the same clothes. Well, because I'm recording all these videos in one day. So I can go ahead and knock them out. Because I am behind. I'm behind on videos. So hey. But we just got a package in not too long ago from Amazon. And let's see what it is. Extreme Vision Interior LED Kit Installation plus Installation Tool. So this is the kit that I ordered. It's not all the bulbs, but it's most of them. I think it's missing the ones in the glove box and a few others. So let's open this up, see what it comes with. It comes with this little pry tool. I always can use one of these, and your typical LED bulbs. Yeah, nothing too crazy. But I'm not about to record me putting in light bulbs. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put these bulbs in. Like I said, we ain't doing all that fluff and puff. We're getting straight to it. I'm gonna put these bulbs in, and then I'm gonna show you the bulbs in the daytime, show you the bulbs at nighttime, and then maybe later. I don't know how long. I'll let you know how the bulbs are. Have I had any problem with them? Or even if I have any problem with putting them in today, then I'll let you know that. So let me go and get these in, and then I'll let y'all check them out. So I did run into a little problem, and I told y'all that if I did, I'll let you know. And the problem is these are bigger than the original, so the hole is too small. So what I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna have to open this up a little bit, break that plastic so this bulb can fit in there flush without me forcing it in there. So let me do that real fast and then I'll show y'all. All right, so I opened it up a little bit. Make sure you don't take a lot off, because the bulb still has to slide in there and fit snug. I'm pretty sure there are better ways to do it, but this is what I came up with for the time being to get it in there. Like I said, I'm pretty sure there are better ways to do it. And for those who don't know, this is the side that's gonna snap in. The other side doesn't, so it's gonna slide in there and then boom. So let me get this in here. As you see, I just opened it up a little bit, and I already test fitted it and it stays put. So let me get it in there and then we'll get it all back together. All right, y'all excuse me because I got the AC on, but if you just take out this part right here, don't mess with none of this and don't mess with none of that, because that's where it clips in at. See right there? The light is gonna clip in right there and clip in right there. So just take out a little bit right here, and then your light will slide in there and it'll still clip in. So again, just take out this little portion right here, enough for the light to slide in, and then it'll clip right into the original clips. All right, so we got it all together, and I ordered these lights from Amazon just so you can see. Extreme Vision LED for Chevy Suburban, 14 piece, $15.99, ended up being $16.63 with tax. And that was with the promotional certificate, and that took off 80 cents. So got them in right here, in the footwells. The ones I don't have, that didn't come with, it didn't come with the glove compartment lights, and it didn't come with the puddle lights. Y'all can see that. Let's see. LED under there, and the door, all the doors, and all all the cargo lights. Now I do have an extra one, kind of like one of the ones that go in here. I don't know what they go to. I mean, I don't know what it goes to, so I need to figure out what it goes to. So obviously I'm missing one. So that's what it looks like in the daytime. And I'll let y'all check it out when it gets dark. Ooh wee, the brother full. I think it's a good time to go out here and check these lights out at night. We got the big body van, my wife's car, van, vehicle. We got another daily, my mother-in-law's car. She doesn't drive, so if I ever need to go somewhere, I can jump in this. And, tell you an interesting story about this car right here. I drove this car from Georgia to Arkansas because I bought it for before we moved here, well, way before we moved here, because she needed a vehicle. So it shows you how reliable it is. So here we are. See this unlock button? Oh, you can see the LEDs already. Let's go to the back first. Oh yeah, you can actually see in here. Look at that. You can actually see. Let's see what it looks like from the back side. Say you're loading groceries up or loading something up and it's dark. Oh. One thing I don't like about these is they don't fit snug like the factory ones. I don't know why they sent these short ones. They could have sent some that are a little bit longer. That's the only problem that I've noticed with these specifically. They go up in the ceiling. You see how the second one came on once it hit again. If you slam it too hard, then it's like it gets off track. So that's my only complaint about that. And maybe I'll look into it and see if there are some longer ones. Now they fit. They just don't fit as snug. Like I told y'all, we changed the ones at the bottom too. So we're gonna jump in here, crank it up real fast. Let's see what the map lights look like at nighttime. That's with them on. And that's with them off, just to give you a general idea of how much it lights up. That's with both of them on. And that's with the passenger side, the driver's side on by itself. And then we're gonna hit the switch to light up everything. Boom. So there you have it.